Hey guys, welcome back to another update, and today is March the 8th, and the market opened pretty strong. As you recall, the last couple of days, last couple of weeks, I should say, everything was bloody and red. Now we're starting to see some green, but then again, I personally feel that it's going to drop again. But nonetheless, it's green. And so, if you also recall my last video, I was down to like 100 and change. At the end of the day, I did lose some money. I lost actually a lot of money. Let me see if I can show you here. Where are we? March 8th. So we go back to. So if you see here, last week, I lost over $1,000. So I mean, my account was in the 2 grand plus at one point, So to drop this much, it hurts. I mean, it hurts. But either way, we're gonna go through this. I haven't given up yet. So we have right now, we have invested $319, and I bought 3 puts. Okay, now I'm going, instead of the calls, I'm gonna go with the puts. So I bought Ford. I bought actually 5 contracts of Ford for $85, which is pretty cheap. So I just decided to buy 5, predicting that the price will go down by March 12th. So I'm doing some weekly here, because again, I feel like just the same last week, the market opened strong on Monday, and then after that, everything just started to drop. So that's where I'm thinking this is going to drop again. And that is why I purchased the puts. So right now, Ford's at 1284. It's up 4%. Again, I'm hoping it drops by the end of the week. I also purchased PLTR. It's currently up. Well, actually, it's down 3%. So if you scroll down here, I bought one contract for $100 or 99 cents, predicting that the price will drop to 23 by March 12th. And again, right now, it's let me see where we're at. All right, so right now it's 23.22. So we're predicting that it's going to drop by $23. So as long as it drops 23 cents or 22 cents by next week, we're good. We'll make some money. So hopefully I could recover some of my money and we could go into this bigger place. Here is another one. Space, the Virginian. I only bought this because some of the CEO and some people are selling their stock. Like they sold like 200 million something stocks worth of stocks. So I just bought. Remember, I don't have a lot of money to play with on this account. So I just bought a $75 contract that the price will drop to $25 by March 12th. So I mean, I'm buying small contracts, so the gains are not going to be humongous. But as long as I get some positive money coming in here, I'll be able to buy something bigger, and just So this is how I'm hoping to plan out. So I still have 2 stocks for NIO. Again, not doing great. And the reason why I bought these, like for example, this one, if you guys are familiar with, there's a lady called Kathy Wood, I think her name is. Hold on. For some reason, every time she buys something, everything goes down. Not sure if she either has bad luck or there are people who are going against her. So every time she buys something or their company, and okay, let me just show you. So for those who are not familiar, this is like they say that she's the next Warren Buffett. I don't know. I mean, everything I see that she buys keeps dropping, like Workhorse. She even bought some NIO and some other stuff. So this lady, purchased 2.6 million shares of this share, ticker PLTR. So anyways, that is why I purchased a drop. And look, if you see here, she bought this much, and you will think that that the stock will be going crazy, and it's not. I mean, at the opening it was down to almost 2.5%. So, and if we look at the charts, I mean, back in February 9th, it was at $37, and it's just dropping and dropping. So now I'm just thinking, you know what? Now with her coming in, it's probably gonna drop a little bit more. Again, that's just my theory. Nothing is a secure or guarantee or anything. It's just a theory I have that anything that she buys goes down. So right now this one, I'm down $4. But again, I'm not that far out. Remember, I predict that it goes to 23. I mean, it's at 23.20. So who knows? It's 10:22 a.m. right now. So we still got a couple more hours. So we'll figure that out later on. But overall, that's all I have. I only have 3 options. My investment is not a lot, so I'm very limited as to what I could do. Another one that I'm thinking of buying, it's gonna be like I mentioned, Workhorse. Kathy Wood as well. She bought some, and it started to go down. Look at this. I mean, back here was $34. Just dropped. So I'm predicting it's gonna go down. Remember, if you recall, they lost a contract with the U.S. Postal Service, and that's what it just tanked. You know, I mean, back then this company was like, I think it was even at $50 at one point, $40. So, anyways, I'm keeping an eye on this. If it goes a little bit higher, I'm gonna jump in and buy a put. I'm gonna predict that's gonna go down. I think it's just up right now because of the. I'm just predicting that's up right now because just the market just opened. So if I was, this is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully, maybe later on today, or tomorrow, I might have to deposit a few $100. I mean, because I have no work. You saw I only have 300 and change. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy a put, and I'm gonna put March 19, and I'm gonna predict that it's just gonna go down. And even if we put here on the, I mean, it's 15.57 right now. Even if we buy this one, like just as long as it drops to 15, I mean, you'll make some money. And this one's not that expensive. It's $163. So if you were to buy one contract, it just changed to 164. So it's not that bad. So that's something if you guys want to look into, do your own research. But this is what I have in mind. Buy a put by March 19 under 15. Obviously, if it drops before March 19, keep an eye on it and just pull out your gains and go from there. But this one's in the my watch list right now. So that's all I have for today, guys. It was a quick update, and hopefully tomorrow's video I can show you some green. But right now, I'm down $84, so I'm hoping this drops. All right, guys, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thanks.